Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this October the 21st, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Tuesday out there so far. Everybody's a great Tuesday evening. I hope everybody continue to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the tropics in the lower 48, and also we're going to start off with Tropical Storm Melissa has formed down in the Central Caribbean Sea, just like the way we've been talking about for the past several days and also last week. We can see another tropical wave here in the Central Tropical Atlantic. Nothing to write home about, but need to monitor that. If it do get into the Caribbean Sea, it could possibly develop as well. Something we'll monitor that, but right now, not even going to worry about that. We're going to just mainly worry about Tropical Storm Melissa and try to figure out which way she will go. We got scattered activity over South America, Central America, Northwest Caribbean Sea. Also more activity in the Eastern Pacific. Then we got a little system here moving through southern Louisiana, southeast Texas, southern Mississippi, along a cold front. Got a little bit of activity across the Carolinas. Got a upper level low spinning up here around Wisconsin, also Michigan. That will continue to push on off into Canada and push that cold front to the east. Tranquil weather looks to prevail across much of the remainder of the lower 48 for time being. We got another little system in the Central Tropical Atlantic, but that's associated with a cold front that will continue to pull away. Alright, let's move on to Melissa's forecast from the National Hurricane Center. This is at 5 p.m. this afternoon. You can see here the tropical storm fourth wind is yellow, and it's not going to be in no hurry to move away. It's going to remain meander around through about 2 p.m. Friday, remain a tropical storm, then expect to become a hurricane. And they got hurricane watches in the pink over here across South Haiti, over here in the Jamaica. You got some tropical storm watches there. They will become warning. This should become hurricane warning. They may have to upgrade this here to a hurricane warning as well across Jamaica. Also maybe Cuba, maybe in the Bahamas may get in on some activity with the tropical storm watches, hurricane warnings, or watches later on down the road. Alright, if you are tracking the system at home, it's located near latitude 14.2 north, longitude 73.0 west. Maximum sustained winds are near 50 miles an hour with higher gusts. Moving to the west at 15 miles an hour, but decreasing forward speed is expected by tomorrow. Right now it's classified as a tropical storm with winds of 39 to 73 miles per hour. Alright, here's the forecast track. The Spaghetti-O model. This is where they track the Spaghetti-O model wants to take the system. You can see it meanders down here. A lot of models, some of these are outliers here, going to take across the Haiti area and then back into the Atlantic. I think it's going to be further to the west, and some takes it in towards South America, toward the Yucatan Channel, also maybe toward the Bay of Campeche, but I'm not expecting it to head that way right now at this time. But I more likely track will probably be this one here, that CEMI computer model, which will go across pretty much central Cuba and then into the central Bahamas, and then slowly push on off to the north and east. But if a trough catches this system, it could pull it back west toward the lower 48. So can I rule that out? I will continue to monitor that as the data comes in, and also more modeling comes in as well over the coming days, and see which way the system will be pulling out after it leaves the Central Caribbean Sea. Alright, intensity guidance looks like this: 45 knot winds equal to 50 miles an hour. Most of the model keys into a tropical storm, but you can see it do become a category 1. Some takes it up to a category 2. One even takes it all the way to a category 4. Even one takes it to a category, a couple of them takes it to a category 3 hurricane, low end grade hurricane 3, but I'm expecting it should become a category 1 and a 2 before all said and done. Even could become a category 3 as well. That's not off the table also. Alright, so that's your tropical update on Melissa. But if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road here, folks. And thank you for tuning in to the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel, and make sure you subscribe if you have not. New viewers, thank you for watching my forecast channel. Make sure you subscribe also. I will keep you up to date. Thunderstorms and showers up here for your Wednesday for a portion of New Brunswick, the Maine to Rhode Island, Pennsylvania, Lake Huron, Lake Superior, around the Michigan region, portion of Wisconsin, shower activity over Indiana, and also portion of Ohio, portion of Pennsylvania as well, and the portion of southern New York State. Shower activity along areas of South Florida and the Florida Keys. Tropical Storm Melissa, located behind the logo there of the National NOAA and the National Weather Service, but you can see there they already highlighted Tropical Storm Melissa. We've got showers and storms off the southeast Texas coast, central and north Texas to Oklahoma to Arkansas, Missouri, Kansas, Nebraska to Colorado to Utah to Nevada, and also portions of California. Got some mixed precipitation in Colorado and Utah. You've got some shower activity and mixed precipitation in Washington State. Shower activity stretching down into Oregon and northwestern California regions as well. Also, you've got some mixed precipitation portions of Wisconsin and northeastern Minnesota also. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Wednesday. Alright, let's see if we can get to your Thursday outlook now. Take a look at it. Okay, we got some mixed precipitation in Washington State with shower activity also for Washington, Oregon State, northwest California. More mixed precipitation for Utah and Colorado. And got some thunderstorms and showers also for Utah, Colorado to Nebraska to Missouri, Kansas, Arkansas, Oklahoma, Texas region. Also shower activity from Wisconsin to Lake Huron, Lake Superior, Michigan to Ohio, Indiana, Pennsylvania to New York State to Maine, portion of New Hampshire, Vermont, and northern Massachusetts regions as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Thursday. Alright, let's move on to the current watch and warning advisory map of your location across the nation. And it's going to look something like this here. We don't have too much on the board here, but you can see special weather statement for portion of Virginia and all of North Carolina, a little bit in portion of Ohio and portion of Michigan. Got a severe thunderstorm warning in West Virginia, special marine warnings right along the Ohio and Pennsylvania coastal areas there. Also wind advisories in areas of Illinois and also Iowa, and even some frost and freeze products in areas of Iowa, Missouri, Nebraska, and Kansas. We got small craft advisory, gale warning from Maine all the way to the Outer Banks of North Carolina, Southern California up to Washington State, Southern Hawaii and Chain Islands, Southern Alaska with some storm warnings there as well. Alright, we got some severe weather to talk about for day number 3, which should be coming up here in just a couple minutes. Marginal rest over here towards Santa Fe, Albuquerque to Midland to Lubbock to Amarillo, Fort Steele, Wichita, Oklahoma and Norman area. General thunderstorm from Fort Stockton to Cedar City to Denver, Colorado, over toward Wichita area of Kansas. Alright, the probability is going to look like this, around 5%. There we go. Alright, National Hurricane Center. We're going to take a look at Melissa, and then we're going to wrap up the video. Okay, here's Melissa down in the Central Caribbean Sea. You can see that this is the 8 p.m. advisory, well 5 p.m. advisory, still 50 mile an hour winds, pressure 1003 millibar, and like I said, 14.2 north, 73.0 west, moving west at 15 miles an hour. But the rest of the tropic looks quiet. They do not have anything else highlighted except just Melissa. We'll continue to watch this here and see what happens. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like these videos, share these videos. We'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful Tuesday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.